Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. Another green day has been printed in the crypto market, Bitcoin crossing the 70k mark, and Doge is actually not very far behind. If we talk about the actual Dogecoin price, you can see it has not moved significantly as the resistance close to 18 cents is getting bigger, but the trading volume is up about 25%. On the other end, massive 200 billion meme coin bull storm knocks on Shiba Inu, Pepe and Doge. On the other end, Dogecoin outspaces Cardano in social media driven bull rally, and Dogecoin price predictions suggest that there will be a 100% spike in about 30 days. Now before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Dogecoin, the social media engagement goes up, a lot of people decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now first of all, in these bubbles, I want to give you guys a little bit of a challenge. Try to find Dogecoin. It will be quite hard because it's all the way on the bottom with a very tiny bubble. Now keep in mind, I completely understand that Dogecoin bubble is a little bit smaller today, but in the last 1 week it has done such good numbers compared to any other meme token. So just any crypto in general, today it's able to just hold on to its price, and it's still well ahead of all the other cryptos. What I mean by that, it's holding on to its 8 spots so well compared to Cardano, which is trying to beat it. Another thing which is important is, as I mentioned, the trading volume is up 25% from yesterday. Over here it says 6% down, but if you pay attention, yesterday we were close to 2 billion when the price was down about 25%. So therefore that 25% has been recovered. Another thing which is interesting is when the whole market did take a spike, I would say about 9 hours ago, even Doge did take a spike, but it's very hard to be able to hold up the price above the 18-cent mark. Why? There is a lot of whales that like to take profit around the 18-cent mark, and this has been proven to be an extremely strong resistance in the previous years. On the other end, you can see that there is still so much money yet to come into the whole of the crypto market, and especially meme coin. Now Bitcoin matrix rise has long been a driven force in the crypto market. Among them, Shiba Inu, Dog with Pepe Bonk are shining brightly, but Doge has been leading the chart. Why is Doge leading the chart? Well, in simple terms, you just need to understand social media driven bull rally. That makes more sense because there is so many more people that are talking on social media about Dogecoin right now. Especially if you go on Twitter, everywhere you always see Dogecoin is trending. Now that's one of the ways to actually help the whole market actually start climbing up, and that's why I always mention, try to support the YouTubers that only talk about Dogecoin. I'm not only talking about myself, you can also support a favorite YouTuber of your own, but just make sure you also help them so Dogecoin is on everyone's name as much as possible. Then on the 1st of April, we have the COINBASE. The future's going live. That's going to be a big deal. On the other end, we have 21 interactions in a day across social medias. Now that's a really strong community that we have for Dogecoin, but we can definitely increase that because in 2021, if you remember, the interactions were somewhere close to 250 million. So just to give you a little bit of perspective. Now Dogeday is coming up, and if you do not know, Dogeday is celebrated on the 20th of April. Now that is about, I would say, a month away, but what is even closer is 1st of April. Now 1st of April is April Fool's Day and pretty much meme day, so there is going to be a lot of meme tokens which will be doing good. And who will be leading the chart? It will obviously be Dogecoin. Now before the 20th of April, the price might hit 34 cents. One of the possible catalysts is not a sell the news event. I mean, personally, I do agree, because I feel like even on the 20th of April, it will not be sell the news event. I personally feel like it will more be like buy the news event, as there will be a lot of people buying on the 4th or 20th of April. Another thing which is important is you guys need to understand, around the 15th of April is when Bitcoin will have its halving event. At the same time, on the 15th of April, we in previous, just looking back on time, we have seen many times when Dogecoin is able to see some crazy rallies on the 15th of April. Now, if we talk about the price action, you guys can see today we did actually break above for a little bit over the 18-cent mark, but then we were pushed back below the 18-cent mark. This shows how strong of a resistance the 18-cent zone is. I mean, it's been tested previously quite a few times, but every time we have been rejected. What does this mean? Well, in simple terms, you just need to understand there is a lot of people that have their take profit set to 18 cents. Therefore, every time we get to 18 cents, there will be a lot of whales selling, and there is going to be a lot more sell pressure compared to the buy pressure. So therefore, there is going to be a price dip. But to break above the 18-cent mark, we need some sort of extreme rally that actually breaks us above the 20-cent mark. Pretty much what happened around here, which is on the 5th of March. But you can see the market was super volatile. Even though we made it over the 20-cent mark, there was such a sell-off that pushed us all the way to 13 cents. Now, also I want to mention huge bull flag forming on the daily, 20 cents coming soon. 23 days now we could see a 30 cent. I mean, 30 cent from 20 cents, that's still close to a 50% increase, which I'm very certainly happy about. On the other end, the money flow on USDT is continuing to flow out and is in the deep red. This is good for crypto as a whole, and especially Dogecoin. What does this mean? While USDT is slowly being changed into other crypto, this is good because this is going to help a lot of different cryptos actually go up in price as more and more money flows into it. Now, if you guys remember a long time ago in 2021, this is the one of the posts that Elon did, but seeing Dogecoin on it is pretty cute. Now, a monthly close in 6-day above 18 cents for Dogecoin would flash a monthly super trend buy signal, which has only happened twice in its history. Both occurrences led to multi-month bull markets for Doge and new all-time highs. So are we going to be breaking above the 18-cent mark? As you can see, the sell pressure is where it is there. Now, this is interesting because we have detected a spike in number of people chatting about Dogecoin, and especially Doge 1 is trending, or Doge X is trending, which is Dogecoin and X pretty much coming together, which will be happening very soon. Now, here is what's happened in the weekend. While the Dogecoin price has been holding on to its price, X payments is pretty much the driving factor. While futures are coming alive, 1st of April is getting so close. I personally feel like this is like, the calmness before the storm that's about to hit us very soon. And that storm is going to push the Dogecoin price to another level. Doge price doubles amid the rumors that Elon will add crypto to X. I mean, yesterday we saw Grok also announce that it will be adding Dogecoin to X, and that's going to be one of the reasons why you could believe that very quickly. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I will see you very soon.